Hello, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to today's video. Activities to do in Graskop in Mpumalanga. Okay, let's go over a few basics. Graskop is very misty, so it's absolutely important that some of the activities you do on days that are not, like God's window. We'll get to that. So we had breakfast at a little diner called Divine Me. They serve a beautiful breakfast. They have quite a range to choose from, and they serve delicious dessert. If you're a person with a sweet tooth, you will definitely love it. Yes, so we had all our breakfasts at Divine Me, and then we had our dinners at the Glass House. They serve very good food. The experience is quite different and very special. I'd recommend it any day. There's a huge curio shop if you're interested in any souvenirs or see, very misty. Oh my gosh. We experienced a huge problem. It got really cold because of the mist, and we had to pop in and buy some stuff to wear. So just pack a little jersey or like a jacket just in case the weather changes on you, because it's very unpredictable. One day it's sunny, the next it's super misty, and that mist is kind of cold. And now the activities. Activity 1, visit the Lisbon Falls. I really hope that you visit on a day when it's very sunny, because it's very beautiful. You can take lovely pictures and the sound is so soothing. But we unfortunately visited when it was very misty, so we couldn't experience it as wonderfully as I believe we could have if it wasn't a cold day. To check out the Lisbon Falls. Beautiful! Yeah, it's very easy to move around this place. Each spot follows the other, and there's signs everywhere leading you to the next. So on your way from Lisbon Falls to Bourkes potholes, there's the Blade River Canyon Nature Reserve, where you can pop in and grab something to eat. We had Rondavels rolls, and there's quite a lot that you can choose from, but it's just fast foods. There's also a park where you can sit down and eat or just enjoy the scenery. Now, Bourkes potholes. I feel like ever since I've been to this place, I've been so luckier than usual. It's beautiful. What I'd advise you to do when you're here is to just stay in the moment and look around. It's interesting. And finally, my favorite, the 3 Rondavels. Oh my god. Oh, there are the entrance fees. Well, there's entrance fees at each and every spot that you've seen in the video. The 3 Rondavels have, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just majestic. I sat there and I felt closer to myself. I felt connected to my soul. I don't know if that makes sense, but I felt myself come together, and I'd wish this feeling on anyone. So another activity to do is to visit God's window, which is apparently even more majestic, but we couldn't because it was so misty. We couldn't even drive up that side. Wishing you visit Graskop when it's sunny and not misty. This is the end of the video. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and watch a video of another activity that you can do in Graskop. I'm going to link it up. That's quite interesting. You should do that.